Hello and good day, everyone. Today, we are going to talk about your dream job. First, what is your dream job? My dream job is a teacher, a doctor, an engineer, a singer, a pilot. For example, my dream job is a teacher. My dream job is a pilot. Second, why do you want to do this job? I want to do this job because I love children. I want to help people. I like traveling. I enjoy singing. For example, I want to be a doctor because I want to help sick people. I want to be a teacher because I love children and teaching. Third, what skills do you need for this job? I need good communication skills, creativity, patience, knowledge, bravery. For example, I need good communication skills and patience. I need to be brave and strong to be a firefighter. Fourth, where would you like to work? I would like to work in a school, in a hospital, in an office, on a plane, in another country. For example, I would like to work in a hospital. I would like to work in another country. Fifth, who inspires you in this job? I am inspired by my teacher, my father, a famous doctor, a singer. For example, I am inspired by my English teacher. I am inspired by my father because he works hard. Last, what will you do if you get this job? If I get this job, I will help people, teach students, travel around the world. For example, if I get this job, I will help many people. If I get this job, I will teach students and make learning fun. So that's all for your future job. Thank you.